Imagine waking up to find you've had, like, three highly nuanced, perfectly tailored networking conversations, and all of it happened while you were asleep. Welcome back. I was actually doing my regular scroll through the AIagentstore.ai website page today. Just seeing what's new.
Yeah, I mean, there is always something interesting popping up there.
Always. And today, we have a really clear mission for you. We are unpacking the capabilities of a platform called Link AI. It's an autonomous AI SDR built specifically for LinkedIn. So, okay,
Oh.
let's unpack this because the underlying mechanics of how this tool approaches outbound, it fundamentally changes the game.
It really does. I mean, we're moving way beyond just basic automation here. Link AI basically handles the entire prospecting sequence.
It's like connection invites and direct messaging.
Yeah, exactly, and the necessary email follow-ups too. But what's fascinating here is the personalization engine. It doesn't just, pull your job title and spit out some standard template.
Right, we can all spot those a mile away.
Oh, absolutely. Instead, it actually analyzes your specific syntax. It looks at the vocabulary and the pacing of your past posts in your bio to create a localized language model of you.
Wow. So it's less like a bulk email cannon and more like hiring a highly trained method actor whose only role is to play you in business conversations.
That is exactly it. Yeah.
But wait, I have to play devil's advocate for a second here. If an AI is handling all these initial interactions, how do we make sure the outreach doesn't feel completely robotic to the recipient? Because, we all instantly recognize those automated bots.
Well, it avoids that robotic feel specifically because it doesn't rely on static merge tags. It dynamically adjusts its phrasing based on the prospect's unique profile.
Oh, I see, and the context of the interaction.
Right, exactly. It injects calculated human-like variations into the syntax. And that ability to genuinely ingest and deploy your personal communication style, that is exactly what drives its massive 80% autonomy rating.
80% autonomy. That is wild. So it's not just drafting a message for you to manually approve.
No, not at all. It is practically running the entire sequence. Because it genuinely understands your voice, Link AI can just operate on full autopilot.
Right.
It autonomously searches for leads, qualifies them based on your specific parameters without any manual intervention, and it even gets to the point where it generates and schedules your native LinkedIn posts to build that inbound pipeline.
Which makes total sense for their target users. It's a closed source, freemium tool tailored explicitly for founders, solo professionals, and sales teams. Basically, anyone trying to drastically scale their outbound efforts without drowning in manual execution.
Right. And if we connect this to the bigger picture, we really have to recognize a fundamental shift in our tool set here. This isn't just a simple assistant.
No, not anymore.
It is an autonomous operator executing complex, multi-step workflows from start to finish.
So whether you are scaling a business or just systematically building your network, this level of autonomous execution is rapidly becoming the new baseline. You simply can't rely solely on manual networking anymore.
You really can't, yeah.
Which leads right into something for you to chew on today. Think about this. If an AI can flawlessly mimic your personal networking style to build connections autonomously while you sleep, how will we define a truly authentic professional relationship in the future?
Yeah, it is definitely a wild thing to think about.
It is. Well, be sure to head over to AIagentstore.ai to see this platform for yourself. And as always, thank you so much for taking the time to read the show.